Welcome back, friends. I'm Tina from It's a Wonderful Plan. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you what I picked up from Erin Condren's Black Friday sale. It's not a lot, but I am so excited to share with you what I got. With your order, you do get this postcard here, and it's just got a little bit of an overview of different products that they sell, and there is a coupon on here for 20% off next purchase. So that is awesome. So I will definitely be saving that. I decided to get this sticker sheet. I never got these before. And this artwork is a collaboration with Etta V. So Etta V is the artist, and she is the one that designed this. And I just thought that this was so pretty. I have two items here. One is a full planner, and the other one is a specialty planner. So we're going to go ahead and look at this one first. The nice thing about Erin Condren is you can personalize a lot of the covers. So this one right here, I was able to personalize the stripes down the center. And if I wanted to put something in the middle, I could have gone ahead and done that. But I really didn't know what to put there. So I just decided to skip that part. But I did customize these two pinks. I thought that that was really pretty. So that's the front cover. And then it is the same on the back here. And this coil is a little bit smaller because it is a specialty planner slash notebook. And let's open it up here. This one is called the Appointment Book. And you can see that that's right there on that first page. On this side, this is the inside cover. This is like a dashboard that they have here where you could use either wet erase or dry erase marker to go ahead and fill out like a heading or any kind of list that you want to make. There's some blank spaces here that you can utilize to write in as well. I've never used the back cover to write on, so that's just not something that I like to do. If that's something that you like to do and you have a really good use for that, drop that in the comments below. I would love to hear how you use the back cover. All right, let's go ahead and flip through here. We've got This Book Belongs To, and we have all of these tabs here. So there are 12 tabs because this isn't undated and there are monthlies in here. So it's got an area here to go ahead and put the month, and then it is from Sunday through Saturday, and then you can either write in or use stickers to put in your dates in here. And then this has got this sidebar that's lined, the little asterisk at the top. It's super, super simple. It's a darker gray color font on here. Now, I really didn't know when I ordered this that all of the tabs were at the front here. I don't know, maybe I just didn't read it thoroughly through because I thought that there were going to be pages in between, but they're actually just all of the months and they're printed like back to back on the tabs here. So that's what all of these are. And it's nice that it's undated because you can fill it out whenever you want or, not use it, however you want to do that with the monthlies here. So there we are. We've got, is that, I feel like that's more than 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, it is 12 months. Okay, now this one has got this month here, and then on the back side, it does flip into the actual like appointment pages. Honestly, I would have preferred to have a tab separating these two, because if I didn't want to use these, I could probably take them out. So that's one thing that I just wanted to, I guess, give you like my feedback, my thoughts on. But here are the appointment pages. So we've got here in a shaded area, date, time. You check whether it's an in-person appointment, virtual, or phone. The appointment is for, so whoever the appointment is for, location, appointment with, questions or topics to cover, appointment notes. There's a lot of lined notes on this side, space, and then next steps. And then it's lined, but it's got like little check boxes or the little check circles there. So as you do whatever you need to, you can check them off. I love this. This is going to be so handy for me because I am a caregiver for my parents. And I also help out my sister-in-law with my nephew. And there are times when I do take him like to the dentist. And this is going to be perfect. Whenever I take my parents, I can fill in the date, the time, who the appointment is for, the location, and then of course what doctor they are seeing. Any questions that I have or topics that I need to bring up with the doctor, I can write my notes right in here. And then here's where I can go ahead and fill in all of my appointment notes and then any of the things that I need to follow up with. So I really, really like this layout. I think it's going to be really handy for me. So that's what all of these pages are. They're all exactly the same. So am I going to use the months at the front, fill that out? Probably not. However, I think that this is a really cool notebook to have, even if you wanted just to create like a monthly notebook for yourself. You could fill out your months and then you could use these pages however you want. You don't have to use them for appointments. You could put like a large sticker over that section there and you would not even know that this was actually designed for appointments. So I think that this is a really cool book. I wanted to throw that out there for you if you are kind of interested in maybe like an undated monthly type of planner and you're okay with having all of your months at the front there, like back to back. Just another idea. Okay, in the back here, there are some pages with stickers, which honestly, I wasn't expecting there to be. So I was pleasantly surprised to see the stickers back here. They are so pretty and vibrant. I love that. So there are 4 pages. And then we have the beautiful colorful folder. I love this. So pretty. And then here's the back inside cover, which of course is a kind of like a really light gray, which is kind of funny because it doesn't really necessarily go with the bright stickers that are in here, but what's on the inside is standard. And I decided to go with these colors on the outside just because I thought that they were nice and like minimal, especially if I'm carrying this like around to different doctor's appointments. So yeah, I really like that. So that one is the appointment book. Now I am an affiliate of Erin Condren, so if you do decide to purchase anything, greatly appreciate if you consider using my affiliate link, and you will find that down below in the description. All right, here we go. I'm so super excited about this. I picked up a monthly planner. I got the stripe. I picked these colors and they're so bright and fun. It does come with this ruler here, which is nice, like that. And then I decided to have it personalized with my handle on here. It's a wonderful plan. So I think that that is so pretty. And oh, I got the sticker stuck under here. And then here's the back of it. So I was going back and forth with the colors. I wasn't really sure which ones I wanted to go with, but I really like what I picked out. And it is so pretty. Look at the inside. I love it. I decided to go with the hexagon insert in here. I am going to be using this planner for my content planning. I love having a colorful planner for content planning. It works out perfectly for me. So it says right here, monthly planner. It's got some lines there to write my name. And then look at how pretty that is. I love it. It's so colorful and cheerful. Celebrate every facet of the journey. I love that. Oh my gosh. All right. So now we're going to come in here. There is an overview of July of 2025 through December of 2026. I don't need the first like 6 months because I'm going to be starting this in January. Big launch for Erin Condren. The planners actually start in July. So I think that that's probably why this had this in here for the July. That's just kind of like a standard for their like yearly overview. All right, now we're going to turn here and we have the pages with the 12 boxes, 6 on each side. A little progress each day adds up to big results. And this is an area that I like to use to put in all of my affiliate information. So I'll use a box for each brand that I'm an affiliate with. And I go ahead and write in like my IDs and my login, information, my passwords, and all of that. So this is just a really nice place that I have to reference for my affiliates. And it works out really nice for me. I really like using those pages for that. We've got a notes page on the side here that's lined. That's opposite of the first tab or the monthly tab. And of course, this is all colorful tabs. Success is a journey, not a destination. So here we are in January and I love it. It's so pretty. I really like to have a colorful planner for this specific purpose. I color code all of my brands. So everything in here will have like a color. You know, Erin Condren will be I think a blue that I use. So what I do is I put a key on the side here with all of my brands and then the colors that I use for them. And then that way, whenever there's releases or sales, anything I need to know about, it goes right into my monthly and everything is all color coordinated. So it's worked out really well for me and I really, really enjoy using it like that. All right, now on this side here, we have like the dashboard page for the monthly, and there are 4 boxes. So this box right here has got some bullet points. This one doesn't have anything other than the lines. This is a large to-do list with bullet points to check things off, and then a section down here. I don't really have a particular way of filling this out. I might put like big releases, you know, I'll put like the dates on here. Or I'll make a list of like the videos that I want to film for the month. And then that way I can like know what I need to film. And then, you know, I can figure out like when I'm going to like put those out. So that's kind of how I use this page here. And then after that, there are notes pages. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then this one actually would go with like this month because you could see that the color changes in the corner. So these pages, I like to just go ahead and write in here, like if Erin Condren is having a release, I will have a page here specifically with all of the bullet points of that release that I need to know about and any content that I want to create for that release. So I just like to have the nice lined note page to go ahead and use however I need. So it works out really, really well for me. And this has been something that I was using previously. I did try to use a different planner for content creating back in July, but I found that it's really not working the best for me. So I decided to go ahead and get myself another monthly planner, and I'm so happy that I did. So I will be sharing a video of like the planners that I will be using in 2026. So if you want to make sure that you see that video, be sure to be subscribed to me and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that. All right, let's go ahead and look at all of the tabs here. We've got February, honor the person you are becoming. And I'm just going to kind of do a quick little flip here, but they are all decorated the same way where you have the month in the color that is featured on the tab, and then you have the hexagon like design there in the corner. So those are all the same. And then the same thing with the months in here. So we've got the font color is the same color, and then this little symbol is that same color, and then it's just really light shaded heading area. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the tabs so that way you can see those. Celebrate along the way, celebrate each day. That's March. Here's April. Very pretty. Let yourself be proud of how far you've come. May, progress isn't always linear. June, pivoting is part of the process. Oh my goodness, I'm always pivoting. July, the only constant is change. August, keep going. You can do this. September, trust yourself. October, your dreams are worth it. November, be your own biggest cheerleader. And then December, rest and reflection are part of the journey. So pretty. I love it. It's so colorful. Now we're going to come back here, and I decided to have these add-in pages put in. I have never had these put in before, and I decided to go ahead and give it a try. There are 4 options. There's an additional lined note paper that you can put in. There is productivity note paper, which is what I got. There's budgets, and then there is family. And it's a total of 40 pages, But let me go ahead and explain to you the way that that works, depending on what the layout is that you get. If you want to have that put on there, it's an additional $10. So mine says productivity on the tab. It's got the dot grid here. And then we're going to come in here, and here's the productivity pages. So we've got sectioned, it's like 3 sections here. You can see that there's like a little bit of a darker line in between. It's aligned sections. Then there's this line section here, and this has got like the little bullet points, and then there's a blank box here. And then on this side is dot grid. Okay, so there are 40 pages. So what they consider is this is a page, okay? So one side is considered a page, so that's like 2 pages. So even though there's 40 pages, it's really like 20 of these layouts, if that makes sense, because they are different on each side, because this is considered a sheet, but one side is considered a page. Okay, so that's how that is calculated out, right? So I want to make sure if you decide to order an add-on and you're kind of wondering about that, that's the way that that works. So that's what I decided to get. And honestly, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use these. I thought that this would be kind of a nice thing just to see how they look, honestly. And, you know, maybe I can use them for specific projects. We'll see what happens with that. And then on the back here, we have our page of Heritage and Awareness Observances. And this actually starts, 2025, so 2026, and then it is going to go through the full year of 2026. So if I use this planner the full year of 2026, then I will be covered. And then on the back here, we have an overview of 2027. So January through December, then there's like 3 lines here with little bullet points. So like the top 3 things that might be going on for each month. And then there's an area here for additional notes that you might want to write in. Here's the back page, and then there are some sticker sheets. So there's like these little headers in here, and there's actually 2 pages of those. Those are the same. Oh, this is from the cover, the little punch outs, little plastic punch outs from the covers. And then this beautiful folder. I love the folder. It's so pretty. And it goes so well with this color that I picked out. So I like the way that they did that. So excited to go ahead and get this set up. So I will be doing that, and I will let you know how this works out for me with this appointment book. If you have any questions about it, I really can't share with you, obviously, how I will be filling it out, but I know that this is going to work out really well for me. It's not super bulky either. You know what I mean? I would like this in an A5 size. They don't have it in the A5. This is the 7x9. So I think that an A5 size would actually be better for me because it's a little bit smaller, easier to carry around with me. But I wanted to give it a shot and see how I liked it. And yeah, I'm very intrigued with that. Super excited to get this one set up. So I'll be working on that. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's going to be 2026. I am just like, wow, this year, it just whooshed right on by. So here we are, wrapping up 2025 already. It's mind-boggling, just mind-boggling. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to do what YouTube loves and give me a like here. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know, are you ready for 2026? Are your planners all set up? Like, are you ready to go? I'm not, but honestly, I don't have a lot of planners to set up because I am kind of using a lot of what I was using moving into 2026. Of course, I will go ahead and share all of those details with you. And if you do decide to purchase anything from Erin Condren, greatly appreciate if you consider using my affiliate link. You will find that down below in the description. Thank you so much to those of you that have used any of my affiliate links. I greatly appreciate it. It really helps me out. And thank you so much for thinking about using an affiliate link for your next purchase. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell. And if you watch this video all the way through till the end, be sure to leave me a pink heart emoji. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.